Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd newscast.
Today is Friday, September 23rd, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence.
Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's breakfast is an apple fritter, chicken nuggets, juice, and fruit.
Lunch, hot dog,
Vegetarian beans,
potato wedge, juice, and fruit.
Today's weather is a high of 93, a low of 67, and there is a 2% chance of rain. It will also be sunny outside today. Today's announcements. Please post your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30 a.m. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course or just keep an updated electronic copy each week, just in case. Please continue sending the envelopes with the prize codes to the office in your snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon. Today's late duty is Miss Blankenship. Important dates. September 27th is PST and Remy's for teacher lunch. Today, September 30th is Feel Good Friday and Going Gold for Maddie. If you want to wear a gold shirt, then pay $1 and the $1 goes to St. Jude's. October 3rd, Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd grade. October 6th, United Way out of uniform, which costs $2. October 7th is the end of first quarter. October 10th is a teacher workday. October 11th is when second quarter begins. October 14th is our 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through the 21st is our book fair. October 17th is also Red Cross Blood Mobile, and October 21st is also Kona Ice. And October 24th through 28th is Red Ribbon Week. Happy birthday,
Kennedy Brown. Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wondering how something works? Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day.
We will answer it.
To be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
Thank you, Miss Wally's Little Explorers, for submitting 2 questions of the day. Our first question is, what is the difference between an octopus and a squid? The answer to that is an octopus has 8 arms covered in suckers, while squids have 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles used to catch fish and shrimp in open ocean. Squids have a triangular head, while octopi have a circular head. What is the plural form of octopus and squid? The plural form of an octopus is octopi. The plural form of squid is squids. And that's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.